Good morning, you guys, and Merry Christmas. Thank you for joining me again here on my channel. So as you guys know, a little while ago we did a holiday home makeover contest where we asked you all to give us some nominees of people that you felt were deserving of a holiday home makeover. So we chose a winner, and today is the day we are going to start on their project. So our winners are Dee and Shalise Horton, and they have taken on the challenge of adopting 9 children, and we wanted to be able to come in and help them with this new adventure in parenthood. So they have an area in their house that is like a loft area. So what we have decided to do is make it basically an area for the kids, so the kids can have an extra space to kind of get away, and when mom and dad want quiet time and all of that good stuff. So anyway, we have been working on all of their things. I've been painting a lot of stuff, y'all. I got paint in my hair, but yeah, so today's the day. So we're gonna get started. So we're gonna head over there, and then y'all know how we do, we're gonna hook it up. All right, guys, so we are ready to start painting. I'm nervous, but you know what, y'all, I am always nervous before a project. But yeah, I'm just nervous. I always am just hoping and praying that the customers like what I do. So yeah, y'all be praying. All right, Hortons, how are you?
Great.
Good.
We're excited.
Yes, we're excited. So first of all, I'm very happy to be able to do this. We picked y'all because y'all's story to us was just very selfless, and we just felt like we wanted to be a part of that. So how did y'all meet?
Ooh. We met in Japan. We were both stationed. We're both, he's in the military, I'm previously military, and we were stationed in Japan. And we met there on a ship, but it's really weird because we're both from DC and we grew up living 10-15 minutes away from each other, and we've never met.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
If you don't mind, can you guys tell us your ages?
Because 5 years old.
Yeah, see, because when I found out y'all age, I was like, what? And they did what? At what age? 25 and D.
I am 28.
Yes. Hey y'all, so first day is done. We decided to just paint the first day so everything can dry, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow and install everything. But it's turning out really good. Y'all can kind of see the color scheme behind me a little bit. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. There's Tony. And so tell us a little bit about your adoption story.
Well, I think for the both of us, it was something that we bonded over prior to us even ever saying I do. So we both wanted a lot of kids. I don't think neither one of us could have imagined how soon it would have happened for us. And then after we got married and we purchased our first home, we began our journey.
Yeah, we took classes for about 3 months, once a week, which you can have them however you want. You can do twice a week, however. We did once a week for 3 months, and shortly after we got a call saying, hey, we have some siblings for you. You want some?
And how long were y'all married before you guys decided to adopt? Did y'all do it right away?
3 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you did have a little bit of alone time, some marriage time.
Yeah,
okay.
We were married in Japan, so yeah.
Okay. Good morning, and we're back. And it is nasty outside. It is raining and very wet, but we are going to get this done regardless. Right now we are preparing to go over there, but when we do our installs, we try to make it as simple as possible. So we like to make everything here, and then when we go over there, all we have to do is literally put it in place. All right, so I decided to make them some bookshelves because they have a lot of books, and we want them to be displayed nicely. So We are making the shelves that are going to go up on the wall. You'll see them, they'll be really cute, but we're going to put this together and cut a couple of pieces of wood that we need before we get over there, and then all we got to do is go and install. So y'all just pray for us that this rain slacks up, because we don't need everything getting wet. For safety purposes, you guys, talking to the audience, we can't tell everything, and some of the kids, they also can't be on camera, so I know y'all understand that. But tell me about how y'all ended up with 9. That's
how we end up with 9.
Okay, so
but let me start.
No.
Go ahead. Yes.
No, I'm kidding.
No, so that goes back to when we first talking about kids and how many kids we wanted. Originally, this guy said, "Oh, I want 13 kids," and da-da-da.
13?
Like, yes.
I did.
I'm on here on the lower side, like, okay, what about 5? You know, that's good. So then we met in the middle with 8. So fast forward to now, we got a call about a sibling group, basically of 5 kids, and so we were like, sure, let's get all of them. Da-da-da. That should be fun, you know. It's just us to get 5 kids, not 2, not 3, not 1, 5, which is really common. You will more so get calls about 5 or big sibling groups than small, because they are the ones that need it the most. So we were like, we already got the house for it. Let's just go for it. Let's go all in. So we got them, and we had them for about a year. And then just as we were discussing whether or not we wanted to adopt again or go ahead and have natural kids or anything like that, we got a call about, hey, there's 4 more kids available here.
She got a call.
Yeah, I got the call.
God.
And we were hesitant at first because, of course, it's only been a year with them. So we were like, okay, is it not enough time? Is it too much time? Like, you know, how are we going to transition these kids? So we agreed to meet them after we discussed and prayed and all that. We agreed to meet them, and after we met them.
Okay, well, at first I was like against it. But after we met them, I was just like, okay, sure. Then she was like, no.
Yeah, we like traded off a few times.
No, yes. You know, because I don't know who came up with that process where you like meeting children first, but they just get you every time.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Listen.
I was sucked in.
Listen, the little ones upstairs.
Oh, they so
Oh my
precious.
gosh, they got Tonio wrapped around their little finger.
I'm telling you.
Here's the burning question: do you guys want a child of your own?
A birth child?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Still.
So we're probably going
That's
to get
awesome.
close to 13. That's probably going to be our
Absolutely.
number.
We're practicing now.
Every day. No.
Practicing now.
And you guys, they also have one more addition to the family.
Princess, right?
Princess. Look. So yeah, so look, it got Princess and the kids, y'all.
And a bunny.
Yes. Oh yeah, and a bunny.
Named Pepper.
Yes.
So.
So we are about to reveal the room.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it was ready?
Almost.
Okay.
I gotta put up a couple of more things, and then so if y'all just hang out down here, give us about 10 minutes,
10 minutes.
and we'll be done.
Okay.
Y'all can hang on 10 more minutes.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna stay here right here. Okay, this thing right here. Okay. We hope y'all love it. And this is just us expressing our love and I guess, just admiration for people like you guys. So y'all can turn around.
Okay. Do you want to have it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Oh, this is
Oh
nice.
my goodness.
I like that.
This is beautiful. Oh my
I like
goodness.
that. I wasn't ready. Because here I am.
I was not ready for this.
Look at this. This is
Wow.
good. I like this. Yes, sir.
Wow, this is
Hello.
amazing.
Look.
Oh, this is amazing.
Oh, yeah, this is nice. Can I sit in this?
No,
Yeah.
no.
No, I'm not even going to try this. Nah, I can sit in it. Wait a minute. Look at this little situation.
Yeah, and listen, we know y'all got the kids and family, so the futon, of course, y'all can lay it down.
Oh, it's a futon.
Yeah, anybody wants to come over and visit, and y'all got an
Perfect
extra,
time.
Wow,
got
this
an
is
extra big
amazing.
space. So
I'm not gonna lie, this is nothing like what I was
Listen.
expecting.
what were y'all thinking?
I was like, okay, like I like it, but I'm gonna get some tools. I'll fix it up. But this is
I was like,
nice.
let's keep all this stuff and let's throw it out.
The
Wow.
mint green at first when I walked past yesterday, I ain't gonna lie to you, that mint green would take me
Y'all was
out.
I
nervous?
was like, to match that.
Like-
Now they tell the truth.
This
So
looks-
y'all was nervous about the green.
Well, I mean,
Oh,
yes.
yes. I was
I
like,
mean-
What we tried to do, we tried to keep it kind of neutral because we know y'all got boys and girls.
yes.
So we tried to keep it kind of neutral. I didn't want to go too pink or too blue. So we figured green.
I'm actually genuinely shocked.
Yes, I'm
not
not even.
I'm not even
This
kidding. Like,
Yay!
This is
I'm glad y'all
amazing.
like
because
it.
when I looked at it yesterday,
It didn't have nothing, none
I
of
was
this in
like,
here. It was just the color, and I was
what they
like,
gonna do?
But
This is nice.
I love it.
It's nice. Playtime.
Yes.
Wow.
The older kids,
Have their study
Yeah.
time. That is beautiful.
yeah, they have their study area.
I love it.
And we stored some stuff in those little cubbies and different things.
This is sharp.
So I'm so glad y'all like it.
I love it. No, I don't like it. I love it.
Yay! That's what we want to hear, and that's what we like to hear.
Yes.
We want y'all to love it.
I am amazed. I
I wasn't expecting. I ain't gonna lie. We was talking about it last night. Like, who they about to set us up,
I
child?
was gonna be
Who they about to set us up? We got to
I was like, how are we gonna do this? And it's not like y'all like leave. Y'all are our neighbors. Like,
And I was here, yeah. I'm like, woo, holes in the wall.
y'all come back over in 2 weeks. Like, oh, let me come check it out. We're gonna be like,
Ooh, why the walls red? Look,
Look,
you
Oh,
know.
they thought we was gonna check them out.
yeah.
They thought
No
we was gonna
faith.
check 'em out.
Yeah.
No
It's not that we
faith.
didn't have faith. It's just I kept hearing like a lot of drilling.
Yeah.
And as a homeowner, I was
Well, look, we had to get these shelves
No,
up.
They look good.
Y'all reading up.
That look good.
I completely
I like
love
it.
Thank y'all. You can turn around and take a look and tell us what you think.
It looks so beautiful.
walk around, see what you know.
She's like,
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Oh, you're welcome.
I love it.
Yeah, so look, you have your area over here so you can do your homework and you don't have to worry about the little kids grabbing your work. You can do your stuff up there. You can store your stuff up there too. Yeah.
oh.
Oh my, oh, look at that. What? Wow, this is really nice. Thank you, thank you. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? It is. You guys did this? Yes, ma'am. This is beautiful. Yeah, thank you.